Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. It's been quite a while, but I'm going to make some Bannock today. Now I'm going to do something a little different. Of course, if you read the title of the video, you already know, but I'm going to try frying it in my 7-inch Padimo skillet. This is carbon steel. I got this at Ben's Backwoods. I will link it below. It's about 20 bucks, under $20. Of course, I've been seasoning the hell out of this, so let's see how this works. I've never pan-fried Bannock before, but so the mix is a cup of flour, about a 1/4 cup of milk powder, although I didn't weigh it or measure it, I just kind of threw it in there. So give or take a 1/4. Oh, I forgot salt. Yeah. And then about a spoonful, actually I used a fork because I had the dishwasher running. So about a forkful of brown sugar, give or take. I mean, it really depends on how sweet you want it. Sugar adds in browning, that's why I put it in there. And then, what else is in there? Oh, I forgot baking powder. Ooh. That could be a problem. We'll just run with it. If it tastes like crap, it tastes like crap. It may not rise at all. It might just look like a big pancake. So we'll get this mixed up. I forgot about the baking powder. Oops. And then I poured in too much water too, so I guess we are making pancakes. No, it may not be too bad. Once I get all that mix on the bottom mixed in. So just knead the bag, mix in there. May have gotten a little too much water, but it should be okay. All right, get the pan on the fire and cook it up. Alright.
Cool if I still keep using this over here?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, rocket stove, great for high heat, bad for coals.
We're just going to do a little one as a test. See how it comes out. Of course, the moment I put the batter in there, all the fireplace ash has to jump right at it. Of course, here's a close-up, what it looks like. Maybe a little too much oil, but we'll just have to see.
Want to try another one?
What?
Want to try another one of these?
Sure. Gonna flip my little creation. Yeah, so they're kind of like pancakes, I guess. Get out of there. Glove. Scooting it away from the fire a little bit more. Still another small one. Well, I just flipped the second one over. I scooted it away from the heat a bit more, but it seems to be cooking up pretty nice. Alright, just give this one a taste that I made first. Yeah, it's pretty doughy inside. Probably because of the high heat. Yeah, that's great. Alright, so the got a little dark on the second flip. It's not too bad though. All that one done. This thing gonna Alrighty. Give this one a taste. I mean, it didn't rise at all. I think that's because of the baking powder, or lack of. I think mixing it in a container and then pouring it in, or spooning it in, would have been a lot better than the bag. It's not bad though. Got a little char on the bottom, but well, the baking powder, or baking, yeah, baking powder, it didn't rise like it should have. But it could just be because I'm hungry, but I have one more in the pan, and I have one more, I should have enough mix for one more, so I'm going to just finish it off. I might show you the next one. Alright. We're going to call, this is the last one. Yeah, it's not too bad at all. Oil for 1 minute. What am I going to do with this? I haven't had lunch yet, other than a little bit of Bannock, or pancakes, however you want to call it. We're going to cook up a tenderloin wrapped in bacon. If I can open it without cutting myself. There we go. Huh? No, don't worry about it. Wow.